Hey guys, we're jumping right into this video, and you guys, this is a sponsored video. It's sponsored by PrinceDeco, but what I'm doing here is I'm pulling things down in preparation for my living room tour. So as you can see, I took out the big mirror. You do see that I have small mirrors sitting in the background, and I'm just doing my measurements of where I want to place, or how I want to place, that is, these mirrors. Now, I will tell you guys, if you're hanging anything, my rule of thumb is measure once, measure twice, measure 3 times, so that when you get ready to hang anything, you have measured enough to know that once you place it, it's going to look how you envision it in your mind, you guys. And your girl typically doesn't like to just per se wing it, you know, eyeball hanging stuff, and you end up with a lot of holes, and I got to do a lot of that for over the years of constantly hanging stuff everywhere. Tip number 2. Now, if you see anybody hanging, decorating, or doing anything on that grass, if you don't see them looking at their work, don't trust their work. It's like a cook. If a cook is not tasting their food as they go, don't eat the food. That's how you know when you have perfected the taste. And that's how us as home decor and interior designers, what we do is we look at our space. We got a vision in our head that we're trying to pull out. But all I'm doing here again, you guys, like I say, is preparing to hang these mirrors. Now I will plug these mirrors. You guys, these mirrors came from Walmart. You heard me right. They're just your standard over the door mirrors, and I do have probably about 20 or 30 of these mirrors in various different colors, but we're using white today. So I'm just making sure those measurements are correct. And this is your first time tuning in to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I am Tammy, the host of the channel, and here on Her Home Is, you get all things home decor and lifestyle related. We do room tours, clean and decorate for me, organization, a little bit of shopping hauls, and you will get a few home decor related DIYs as well here on this channel. Now, if that sounds interesting to you, make sure you join the family. Alright, you guys, I got my mirrors hung, and I went on and hung the 7 instead of the 5, but that is what it's looking like, and I'm loving it. Once I put up the mirrors, you guys, I pulled my chair covers out of the box, and you guys, I actually ordered the wrong color, but that's okay. We're gonna just do a slight change. This portion of the video is actually sponsored. I'm going to bring you the sponsor information. And this video is sponsored by PrinceDeco. I'm going to include all of their information down in the description along with my item links. Now, you guys, PrinceDeco does sell on Amazon as well. Now, you guys, what I received here, and you see me unpackaging, is their PrinceDeco stretch love seat and sofa covers. Now, you guys, they do have these in 2 cushion, 3 cushion, 4 cushion. As you can see, or if you follow me for a while, you know I like the whole, what they call the chair slip cover. So that is just what I prefer, but I'm letting you know they do have various options. Now, you guys, this chair cover is a stretch knitted fabric, and they do have some unique features. It is soft textured, you guys. I'm telling you guys, this thing feels amazing. It is 85% polyester and 15% spandex, which gives you your durability and the stretch. When you are picking chair covers, make sure you measure your armchair length for your couch or your sofa, whatever you put it on. Make sure you account for that armchair length, you guys. It does give you all around protection. All of the chair covers do let you know what is for the front and what is for the back. And you guys, these things, as you can see, it is effortless and very convenient and easy to install. You guys, these are super easy to install. They also clean very easy. All of my chair covers, with this being a colored chair cover, I would just pull it off and throw it in the wash up under cold water. Wash it on the gentle cycle. But PrinceDeco does sell on Amazon. Now you guys, their brand is, they're devoted to being a leading supplier of your home decor and your home supply items. They bring you chic and simple lifestyle choices to your everyday home decor life. So do make sure you check them out. Now they do have, like I stated earlier, they carry curtains and drapes. They carry blackout curtains, natural linen curtains, you guys. They do carry a little bit of shears. They carry room divider curtains and separators as well. Once again, make sure you do check them out. Now here I am showing you the curtain, and you guys, this particular curtain that I use, and it is still more so your what I call your natural linen curtain, you guys. This is typically what I'm seeing moving right now. In the home decor world, you are seeing more natural linen. So do keep that in mind. Now look at the grommets, you guys. This piece was put together. I always check my grommets to see how they are sewn, you guys. And I'm just showing you the fabric. This fabric does have it's like a dark gray with semi like a black tweed in it. It is actually lined, but I'm okay with that, you guys, because they do provide you with the blackout. They are truly gorgeous, and you guys, my curtains are 52 width by 52 wide by 96 long. Do make sure you check them out. When I tell you guys, they look extremely elegant. I should have put the steamer on, but they do look amazing. You guys, so make sure you check them out. Once again, everyone, this is what those curtains are looking like. I did pair them with my sheer, white sheer. Now I'm going to tell you, you're going to see in the very near future, I do love grommets, but you guys, I am going to graduate back toward my rod pocket curtains for a while. But look at those curtains. Do make sure you check out PrinceDeco. And look at that chair covers. You still know your girl. If you know your girl, you know your girl. You know your girl still loves her white. But this is what the space is looking like. Once again, all of PrinceDeco's information is down in the description. Check out their chair covers and their curtains. And like I say, they do got different types of chair covers. I like the single piece, but you can do, like, typically this chair has 2 cushions. You can do like a 3-piece set where you get the chair plus each of the cushion, and this is a 2-cushion chair as well. Come back and focus. So you can do single chair like what I've done here. You can do 2-piece set, 3-piece set, 4-piece set, however, but I just like this option for us covering the chairs. Now curtains, like I say, they do got a vast array of curtains. They do carry shears as well, and I told you guys, for some reason more of your curtain styles is going more over to that fabric or that denim like look, because this is, to me, it's that, we know it's fabric, guys, but it's like a denim like fabric, and it's more like on a boho type feel, but those are that. And I will tell you, as you can see, that curtain and that chair cover, they actually did mesh together very well. But thanks PrinceDeco for sponsoring this video. And you guys, make sure you come back, because once you get this video, the next video you're gonna see is a complete room tour. I'm gonna get the rest of my shenanigans and foolery out of the way. We're still changing. So with that being said, thank you guys for continuing to rock it out with your girl. So you guys, I'll see you tomorrow in the next upcoming video.